Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and I'll show you how to remove the SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first you should go to the settings and here go to the security section. Right now just tap here to the SIM card lock section, and here as can you see we got the lock SIM card switcher. Just to remove the SIM pin, tap once on the switcher and here just type your currently password. In my case that's from 1 to 4 and just tap to OK. And as can you see, we successfully removed the SIM pin from your SIM card. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.